Next problem is change the order of integration and then evaluate integration 0 to 2 x to 2. So first draw the figure. So x to 2 is the limit on y. So y is equal to x is this line, y is equal to x axis, y axis, y is equal to x is this line, and then y is equal to 2 is this line, y is equal to 2, that is at a distance 2 and parallel to x axis, and x is equal to 0 is the y axis, x is equal to 0 is y axis, and x is equal to 2 is this line. So this is the area bounded by these lines, that is the area of integration, region of integration. And now we have to change the order, that is here is with respect to y first integration, we have to integrate with respect to x first. That's why take a strip parallel to x axis. So this the given integration is equal to, right, is equal to double integration, right, x runs from y runs from this function as it is 2y square sine x into y as it is dx dy, right, instead of dy dx, right, dx dy, that is integration is with respect to x first, then with respect to y second, and then limit of x are what. So this strip touches one end of the strip touches to the line x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 is the lower limit, and the other line touches to y is equal to x, means x is equal to y is the upper limit. And in order to cover this area, we have to move this strip from this point to this point, that is therefore y runs from 0 to 2. At this place y is 2, so y runs from 0 to 2, and then solve this integration. Now integration is with respect to x, that's why 2y square is constant, and integration of sine x into y is minus cos x into y divided by y, because x is variable, y is constant, and then value at the upper limit, value at the lower limit, and this y square, one y get cancelled, cos 0 is 1. So we have this this, that is minus cos y square, because if you substitute y x as y, then y into y square, 2y dy, and this 2y 2y, no, don't write double dy, 2y right here, 2y dy, and then its integration is y square by 2 to get cancelled, and integration of this quantity is what, substitute y square as t, and then 2y dy is dt, and therefore minus cos t dt, and uh, if you substitute y square as a t, then if y is 0, then t is also 0, but if y is 2, then t is what, t is y square, therefore 2 square is 4. So limit are 0 to 4 minus cos t dt, limits 0 to 2 replaced by 0 to 4, and then its integration is what, cos t integration is this negative sign as it is, cos t integration is sin t plus sin t, so minus cos t integration minus sin t from 0 to 4, right, in square bracket, plus this is answer 4 upper limit value, and then the value at lower limit, value at the upper limit, that is sin 4 minus sin 4 minus minus plus sin 0, sin 0 is 0, so we have this answer is minus sin 4, and this is plus 4, so we have this answer, right, sin 4 remain this answer as it is, or if we write sin 4 by using calculator, then we have this answer, but use but convert this calculator to radian, because we have to find the sin 4 is in radian, and then find it, we have this answer, or remain as it is, 4 minus sin 4, this is final answer. Problem of triple integration. So limits are limit of x, y, z all are constant, so integrate with respect to z or y or x first. So here integration is with respect to z first, so x square plus y square is constant, so its integration is x square plus y square into z. All right, x square z plus y square z, x square integration of x square with respect to z is what, x square z plus y square z, and then integration of z square is z cube by 3, from z runs from 0 to 1, then value at the upper limit, value at the lower limit. If you substitute z, then is equal to 1, we have this value, and if you substitute z is equal to 0, we have 0. Then integration is with respect to y now, so x square is constant, 1 by 3 is constant, so x square integration of x square is x square y, integration of 1 by 3 is 1 by 3y, so total totally right, x square plus 1 by 3 into y, or x square y plus 1 by 3y, and integration of y square is y cube by 3. Value at the upper limit, value at the lower limit, 1 to 0, 0 to 1 as the limit. So if we substitute y as 1, we have this value, x square 1 by 3 or plus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3, and if we substitute y as 0, we get answer 0. And then its integration with respect to x, so x square integration x cube by 3 and plus 2 by 3 integration 2 by 3 into x, and then value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit, we have the answer 1 by 3. Then next problem, again integration limit, all limits are constants, so integrate either with respect to x first, or with respect to y first, or with respect to z first. So here the integration is with respect to x first, 1 by y into z is constant, and integration of 1 by x is log x, lower limit, upper limit 1 and e, and log e is 1, log 1 is 0, so we have answer 1. And then integration of 1 by now 1 by z is constant, and the integration of 1 by y is log y, and then from 1 to e, and then it is log e minus log 1, is answer is 1. And then 1 by z, again integration is log z, and limit from 1 to e is log e minus log 1, and log e is 1, log 1 is 0, so answer is 1. Similar problem, integration 0 to pi, 0 to pi, 0 to 1. So in this case, if the limits are constant but different, then follow the order. That is, this is the limit on x, 0 to pi is limit on x, this 0 to pi is limit on y, and this 0 to 1 is limit on z. So integrating with respect to x first, so y into sine z is constant, so its integration is y into sine z into x, and then value at upper limit minus value at the lower limit, so we get answer pi minus 0, that is pi. So right here pi with respect to x, integration is what, y into sine z into x, and the value of x, write x in bracket, and then 0 to pi, write that pi here, because value at the upper limit is pi. Then integration is with respect to y, means sine z is constant, and the limit of y is y square by 2, limit is y 0 to pi, then value is what, pi square by 2, this pi and this pi square by 2 becomes pi cube by 3. And then integration of sine z with respect to z is what, is sine z integration is minus cos z from 0 to 1, and then value at this at 1 is 1 minus cos 1, and at value at 0 is what, value at 0 of cos z is what, is 1, so we have this answer. Similarly, this problem, this is integration on z because it is in terms of x and y, this is integration on y because it is in terms of x, and this is limit on x, so z, then y, and then x, this is the order. So with respect to z, integration is z, upper limit, lower limit value, then its integration with respect to y is what, 2x, 2 minus x is constant, so its integration is 2 minus x into y, or write 2y minus xy, minus y, integration of y is y square by 2 from 0 to 2 minus x, then value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit. So if you substitute y 0, lower limit, we have the answer 0, and the upper limit, this is the value. And simplify this, and then we have this, and then its integration is what, 2 minus x raised to 3 by 3 into by minus 1 divided by minus 1, because coefficient of x is minus 1, and then value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit, we have the answer 7 by 6. Find the volume of the region D enclosed by the surfaces. This is z is equal to x square plus 3y square, and z is equal to 8 minus x square minus y square. So volume, the formula for volume is what, integration over the region D, dz, dy, dx, or dx, dy, dz, right, any sequence. So z is x square plus 3y square, and z is this. So limit of z are what, these are the limits, this is lower limit, this is the upper limit. And how we can find the limit of x and y? So equate these two, z is equal to z, we get the value of y in terms of x as y is what, plus minus root 4 minus x square by 2. And so the limit of y are what, minus is lower limit and the plus take plus sign as upper limit. And then substitute in this equation, substitute y at 0, y at 0. We have uh, 4 minus x square is 0, and therefore x is plus minus 2, and therefore limit of x are minus 2 to plus 2, and therefore write the limit value is what, minus 2 to 2, then y, limit of y, and then limit of z, dz, dy, dx. This is the sequence, because limit of z is in terms of two variables, limit of y is in one variable, and the limit of x is constant, so we integrate lastly with respect to x. And then integration of z is uh, right, this is 2 times, this is minus a to a becomes 2 times 0 to a, and therefore we have here, and minus 2 to 2 is again 0 to 2 times 0 to 2, so this 2 into 2 is 4, and then integration of 1 dz is z, and then value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit. We have this answer, we have this answer. And then its integration with respect to y is this 8, 8, 8 is constant, so its integration is 8y. Then minus 2x square is also constant, so its integration is minus 2x square into y. So take this 2 as common from this or directly write, and then 4y square as 4y cube by 3, 4y cube by 3. If you take 2 common, then we have this answer. Then value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit. At the lower limit, we have the 0 answer. So just substitute y as this. We have this, and then its simplification is this. Its simplification, and then its integration. Integration of 4 minus x square raised to 3 by 2, and minus 2. So take this subtraction of these two. Subtraction, take this. This is the LCM, and then we have the this answer. And this is by using substitution. X is equal to 2 sine theta, and therefore dx is 2 cos theta d theta. So as x tends to 0, x tends to 0, theta also tends to 0, because sine 0 is 0. Theta is sine inverse x by 2, and if x is 2, then 2 by 2 is 1, and theta is sine inverse 1, that is pi by 2. So theta runs from 0 to pi by 2. This is 4 minus 2 sine theta square, that is 4 minus 4 sine square theta. Take 4 common, and 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So we have this is 8, because it is in bracket. So 4, if you take 4 as common, 4 raised to 3 by 2. So 4 raised to 1 half is 2, and 2 cube is 8. So this is 8 cos cube theta into 2 cos theta d theta, and then 16, and cos raised to 4 theta is actually cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2, its square, because cos raised to 4 theta. Then its simplification is this, and then integration is this, and then the value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit, that is substitute theta is pi by 2. We have this answer, 8 root 2 pi. Similar problem, this is limit on z, this is limit on y, and this is limit on x. So integrate with respect to z first. So one integration is z, upper limit, lower limit. Then integration with respect to y is this, upper limit, lower limit value, and then integration with respect to lastly x, and the value at the upper limit and value at the lower limit. We have the answer. So minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to n, and that is integration with respect to dy, dx, dz. So follow this order, or integrate with respect to x, y, z first. Yes, x or y or z first. So with respect to y, integration is this. This is the integration. With respect to y means x plus z is constant, and integration of constant is constant into variable. We have this answer, and then value at the upper limit, that is substitute x, y as 1, and then y as minus 1. So value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit. We have this answer. Then its integration is with respect to x is this. Then again minus 1 to 1, lower limit, upper limit. Then substitute x as 1 and x as minus 1. We have the answer 2z, and its integration is z square by 2, 2 get cancelled, and then value at the upper limit, that is z square, 1 square is 1, minus 1 square is again 1, so answer is 0. ln r means log of r, ln s, ln t means log of r, log of s, log of t. Instead of x, y, z, here is the notation r, s, r and t. So consider it is as a x, y, z, and then integrate first with respect to t. So log r and log s are constant, and log t integration is what? Log t is integration is t into log t minus integration 1 to 1 t 1 by t dt, that is t into log t integration of log t by part rule, first integration of second t into log t, first integration of second, that is log t is 1 and log t is 1 and into 1. How we can find the integration of log t? Right, log t into 1, and then log t is first, 1 is second. So first, that is log t, integration of second, integration of 1 is t, minus integration of second, that is t, derivative of first, log t derivative is 1 by t dt. So this is the derivative of integration of log t, and then value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit, we have this answer. Similarly, the integration of log r, how we can take the integration of log r? We write log r into 1, and then log r is the uh, second and 1 is first, and then integrating we have this answer. Then evaluate double integration over r, x cube minus y cube dA, where r is this. That is the limit of x is what? 0 to 2, and limit of y is 1 to 2. Then integrating first with respect to y or with respect to x. This 1 to 2 is limit on y. So with respect to y, integration is x cube, x square y. X square is constant. So x square into y, and y cube, y raised to 4 by 4, 1 to 2. Then value at the upper limit, that is substitute y as 1, y as 2, we have this value, and then y as 1, we have this value, and then its simplification is this, and then integration with respect to x is what? X cube by 3 minus 15 by 4 is its integration is 15 by 4 into x from 0 to 2. That is substitute upper limit as 2, we have this answer. If you substitute x as 0, we have 0 answer. So double integration over r y sin x into y dA, where r is this, that is 1 to 2 into 0 to pi, that is the limit of x and y are given. The limit of x is what? 1 to 2, and the limit of y is what? 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Limit of x is 0 to pi, and limit of y is 1 to 2. So integrate either first with respect to x or first with respect to y. So here is the integration sin x into y. Sin x into y. Function is what? Y sin x into y. And so its integration is with respect to either integrate with respect to x first or with respect to y first. So integration with respect to x first is uh, is easy, because now y is constant, and sine x into y integration is minus cos x into y divided by y, and that y and y get cancelled. So 1 2 my 1 to 2, upper lower limit, upper limit. So upper limit lower limit value is this, and then its integration with respect to y, cos 2y integration is minus cos 2y integration is minus sin 2y divided by 2, right? Divided by 2, and then sin cos y is integration is plus sin y from 0 to pi. Then value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit. That is, if you substitute y, if this is pi, then what do we have? Minus sin 2 pi divided by 2. Actually, the limit of this is what? Integration of this is what? Minus cos 2 pi 2y integration is minus sin 2y Minus sign as it is, integration of cos 2y is sin 2y divided by 2. Write that divided by 2. So this answer is, I think, wrong. This answer is wrong because value at the pi is what now? Minus sin 2 pi. Sin 2 pi means sin 0, means sin 0 is 0 by 2, 0. And sin pi is again 0. And yes, answer is correct, but right here divide by 2 just. So answer is 0. The value at the upper limit is 0, value at the lower limit is 0. So similar problems we will discuss in the next lecture.